टू असा एजुकेशन। आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 86, रेनन मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक। चैप्टर है 11, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस। एक्सरसाइज है अगेन कन्वर्ट करना है कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस को कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस। पहला दिया हुआ है रामा went to school soon as he had finished his meal। अब इसको लिख कैसे सकते हैं? रामा finished his meal and went to school। If I ask a civil question, I expect a civil reply। I ask a civil question and expect a civil reply। They have never been poor since they opened that shop। They opened the shop and they have not been poor ever since। I could answer if I chose। I can answer, but I don't choose to। We might admire a bad man, though we cannot admire a weak one। We may not be able to admire a weak man, but we might admire a bad one। I advise you to try, although you may not succeed। You may not succeed, yet I advise you to try। I spoke plainly so that you might understand। You should understand, so I spoke plainly। He feigned sleep as he had an object in doing so। He feigned sleep for he had an object in doing so। He gave himself up because flight was useless। By mistake ये flight नहीं fight है। He gave himself up because fight was useless। Fight was useless and therefore he gave himself up। As we are here, we will stay here। We are here and so we will stay here। I do not think he will come। He will not come and I think so। I know there is a rupee in your hand। There is a rupee in your hand and I know it। Come when you like। Come at any time and you have option in the matter। I shall come when I am in better health। I must be in better health and then I shall come। I would have shot the snake if I had seen it। I did not see the snake, so I did not shoot it। His percept is as beautiful as his practice is disgraceful। His practice is disgraceful, yet his percept is equally beautiful। At Rome, we must behave as the Romans do. Suppose we are in Rome, then we must behave as Romans do. He fell as I fired. I fired and he fell. If you come here, you will repent it. Come here and you will repent it. I have never heard from him since he left Mumbai. He left Mumbai and I have not heard from him ever since. He went to the house so that he might leave a message. He wished to leave a message and therefore went to the house. Unless we run, we shall miss the train. We must run or we shall miss the train. As soon as the sun touches the horizon, darkness begins to settle upon the sea. The sun touches the horizon and immediately darkness begins to settle upon the scene. However clever you may be, you cannot succeed without industry. You may be very clever, yet you cannot succeed without industry. Do this, lest a worse thing befall. Do this, or a worse thing will befall. If you trust to the book, you will find yourself in difficulties. Trust to the book and you will find yourself in difficulties. We may lose all without regret if we may keep our honor sustained. We should keep our honor sustained and we may lose all without regret. Bad as things are, they might be worse. Things are bad and they might be worse. You may go when you have finished your work. Finish your work and then you may go. His bark is worse than his bite. His bite is bad, but his bark is worse. If I am right, you must be wrong. Either I am right or you are. तो ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 86। आपको अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए आसा एजुकेशन। हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में।